Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will be unboxing my Julep box, and it is $24.99 a month, and this is my first box, so it's a welcome kit. So it was only $2.99. That's not bad. Just to try it, I guess, because I'm not a big nail polish. I normally use Jamberry, but wasn't wanting to do that this time, so I wanted to try the Julep. There's the lip. Comes like this. And inside there are a welcome to Maven. Want a free gift in your first monthly box? Go there. I have two of these. 50% off your next purchase. Definitely gonna use that. And then the welcome to Julep Maven. Just tells you about everything. Read that later. Okay. This is what I got. I got 3 nail polishes. Ooh, I really like this color. Sorry for all the noise, my kids are watching Scooby-Doo. This one's called Vicky. Classic with a twist. Gotta get it out of the thing. Okay. It's a really nice color. I will use that. Okay. Ooh, purple. Purple's my favorite color. I love purple any day of the week. And then a sky blue. Not really a pastel color wear. I don't really like them. So I'll probably just give that to my daughter to play with. And then I have this lip gloss. As you can tell, I'm not wearing makeup today, because I was expecting more beauty boxes, my beauty box 5, but they did not come in the mail today. It's been a week and a half since they got shipped, and I still can't track them, so I don't know what's going on with that. I don't know if I'm going to resubscribe to, I don't know if I'm going to do my subscription for beauty box 5 again. They're in Texas, and I'm in Texas, so I don't know why I can't get them like everybody else does. Anyway, totally different story. This is a lip gloss. Let me swatch it. It's like a really pale color. It's right there. Don't really like it. It's actually kind of sticky. I hate sticky lip glosses because I have long hair, and when it's all windy just because of my hair, I don't like it. So, again, I probably won't use this. Again, we'll probably go to my daughter. Not the one plays Police Screaming, but the other one. So that was my Maven box and all the little worms. Anyway, okay, that was my Julep Maven box, my welcome box. And sorry for my little rant about Beauty Box 5. I will link the description down below, or the info down below, the description, and please thumbs up and subscribe.